What is going on, my friends? Vitai Dubin is here. Happy Saturday and welcome back to another episode of today's in Crypto Show, guys. We had an absolutely amazing day in the market, up 7% in the global crypto market cap. Looking at the greenery in the crypto, you can help you visualize here. Solana plus 32.6%, Mana plus 29.6%. The entire crypto market is in the green today, following a crazy move for Bitcoin reaching a level of $21,200. A crazy pump right now that is completely getting away the losses that people suffered here with the fallout of the FTX exchange. Total recovery at this point from the November losses. So this is great to see in January such an amazing bullish move. And I want to point out here on an 8-hour chart, we have reached a level here of 94 on a daily actually 8-hour RSI, which we have pretty much very rarely go to 94 level in the entire history of Bitcoin on an 8-hour chart. Now, of course, this is for the short-term move that we can cool off a little bit. I believe Bitcoin in the short term is a little bit overbought right here, as you can read through the scale. So it's very important to trade with caution. When we reach this level, I went ahead on Binance and I sold some Bitcoin at $20,905 over here, and we are trading right now at $20,400. So I believe that the market can cool down a little bit right now because the pump was crazy. Looking on the daily chart, we're also pretty heavily in overbought area of 88. So some kind of correction can happen here in Bitcoin in the short term. In this video, I want to point out, guys, where do we stand right now? Has the bull market began, and how do you trade and how do you react to this type of pump, and what should you be doing right now? So looking at the moment, we are right now facing this resistance of $21,000. You can see right here we have faced this resistance, so we went right to this point right here and got some resistance right now. Also this significant level, and this level 21,800 is also a resistance level. But looking at the daily long-term trend line starting from November 2021, we can see that we have not broken that one just yet. So roughly approximately $23,300. That's when the bull market truly is gonna start to begin, right? It is too early to tell, but I can tell you right now, based on the pump of what's happening this month, it is highly unlikely that we are going to go below the $15,500 market bottom. And this is the confirmation that we wanted to see. And you can see right here that this area of $15,500 that marked essentially a high chance that we already can say with confidence that this level of 15,500 was indeed the bottom for Bitcoin. And people who did not accumulate through this period of time, which I repeatedly say, this is the time to accumulate, because we are super likely, and we've seen in multiple charts, that we have already hit the bottom for Bitcoin. It's a perfect historic time. Even if Bitcoin would have dropped to 13.7, it's still a historically crazy times to accumulate Bitcoin. So congratulations if you did, and you might be biting yourself if you didn't right now following this pump. But don't worry, do not FOMO in right now. Wait a little bit for the market to cool off on the next wave on the downside. Get in, okay? Because we are super close to starting the bull market. I would say when we break this trend line right here, and especially when we close above $25,000 for the price of Bitcoin, when we create a daily candle above $25,000, that is the moment in time that we can say game on. We are right now changing the trajectory from bearishness to bullishness in the market unequivocally. So we are not quite there yet. However, we can see in the recent uh, downtrend that started in August 2022, right here, we did broke this trend line, right? We did broke this trend line. So this is amazing to see. It is definitely looking very bullish right now on multiple time zones. I share with you that remember on the weekly RSI we had this moment right here that we are either going to break to the down or to the upside, and because this bullish divergence, I said that 80% chance that we are going to break to the upside, and yes, we did. So right now this weekly RSI trend line is broken to the upside, which is great to see. But you know, it's too early to be in full bull market celebration mode just yet. It's the first beginning signs of the beginning of the bull market, but we are far away from the actual bull market. We are months and months away. So I see 2023 is going to be a better year, much better year for sure. Like it's gonna be a green year, but not a crazy green year. When it's you know, when you can see it was a huge red year in 2022. So 2023, if we can get to $26,000 or $30,000 for the price of Bitcoin, it's going to be incredible and set the pace for 2024. One is going to be really bullish year, 2024, and then of course 2025, the cherry on top when everything just explodes to some crazy levels. But the time to take action is right here. It is right now. It was like accumulating all this period right now in the crypto markets. This is the time to take action, not when the price of Bitcoin is trading at 50, 60, 70, 80,000 dollars. This is the time to be starting to think about exiting your positions. Right now is the time to be thinking how you enter the positions, which altcoins to research which altcoins you would be betting, and diversify your portfolio, and essentially keep dollar cost averaging every day or every week or every month. Just put in some more money into the crypto market. Will be doing incredibly well with this strategy. So we're looking pretty bullish. We're also on a fear and greed index. We are right now have also surpassed this downtrend line that started in November 2021 when we reached a peak of 77 in the greed index, and we since then slided 2022, reached a point of 9 in the fear index, and then when the prices went even lower here in 2022, we reached only a fear of 20. So that was a bullish divergence on a sentiment, on the market sentiments, and now we are breaking out from here, and the reading says 46. So right now it's still in a fear, but we are getting closer to the middle zone right here. So we're in a light fear. That's the market sentiment right now. So what should you do? What should you do right now? Well, if you're in it and you bought some Bitcoin, you don't need to be doing anything. You just ride this wave, because this is just the beginning of the bull market. If you're interested to trade it a little bit in the short term, then this right here is a great opportunity, in my opinion, to sell some of the position here and then wait for a confirmation retest, which we can very much can go to back to $20,000 to retest it, or even to $19,000 around this range, because we rose so fast and so quickly in the price of Bitcoin. We can retest it. So look how this day is going to close. If we're going to close with this big week today, then that will be a sign to tell you that we might have the next couple days kind of cool off and not be as bullish. So look for the signs in the charts for how we are going to close today, Saturday, January the 14th. Or if we are going to fully close without any wicks in the body, like we are seeing right here, if we can close without the wicks, it'll be fantastic. But this is our resistance level of $21,000 right now at the moment, and you know, it can be for the next days ahead of us a resistant point that if you fail to buy some Bitcoin, then you might go and buy it on the retest when the market goes a little bit down on the next move down. So we've seen a lot of liquidations for the shorts. The shorts have been smacked. You can see in the last 24 hours, $258 million of Ethereum, $236 million worth of Bitcoins got liquidated from the traders that are trying to short the market, while the price of Bitcoin has been doing extremely well and bullishly, right? So that's how it is, right? Be warned to play with leverage. Be very careful about that. Now I want to talk to you about in this video also about the possibility now to stake Ethereum on MetaMask, and should you stake your Ethereum or on the MetaMask. Right now, for the first time, Ethereum holders via MetaMask, they have a new functionality through the new feature via Lida or Rocket Pool to earn financial rewards. And the financial rewards are right now through the Rocket Pool are 4.59% per year. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So for users who don't mind the risk, staking can be lucrative activity while the rewards rates vary. MetaMask site claims user can earn a yield of about 5.22% per year on Ethereum deposits with Lido and 4.59% with Rocket Pool. So there you go. Should you do it? I think you can get better returns than this, than staking Ethereum 5% per year, as it also comes with risks in it, of course, but at least it will eliminate some of the risks associated with trader. If you are new to trading, you can mess up in so many different ways in trading crypto, buying high and selling low, etc. So at least you can preserve your Ethereum there and make it your staking here with this pool. So yeah, that's pretty cool rollout from MetaMask and for the Ethereum. And also you can see that Ethereum developers say Shanghai upgrade remains on track for March. So this upgrade is going to be great for Ethereum, the Shanghai upgrade. And with this upgrade, essentially you have proto-dank sharding. A streamlined data sampling process would make layer 2 transaction on Ethereum substantially cheaper and faster. So it is going to be a great update for Ethereum for sure. What else is on the news? We see the Skybridge ICE stake buyback from FTX as Galaxy CEO says he would like to punch Sam Bankman-Fried. So both CEOs of the Skybridge, Anthony Scaramucci and Galaxy CEO Mike Novogratz, are very mad at FTX for obvious reasons. Skybridge want to buy back the share that FTX exchange was in their hedge fund. They bought a 30% stake in Scaramucci's Skybridge Capital before FTX collapsed. So now Scaramucci says that he's confident he'll be able to buy that stake back, and Galaxy CEO wants to punch him in the face. He lost $77 million, saying, "You gotta be fucking kidding me. Like, really, you are a what, an idiot for losing 77 million of Galaxy funds." But you know, he's not the only way, of course. There was quite some billions of dollars that customer funds and also institutional funds have lost with the FTX. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Happy Saturday. I hope you're making gains on your crypto with what's happening right now in the markets. Crazy volatility right now. And I wish you guys all the best. Subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all what is happening in crypto space. Take action, wise action, and everybody have fantastic day.